Dear viewers, on behalf of the British Voice Spoken English Institute, I invite you all to watch the class in episode 8. So in episode 7, we had very crucial, very important or a significant discussion regarding the present progressive form of a positive sentence or declarative sentence to translate audio to English, and because of some problems, really the letters were not visible to read the letters and read the sentence. So for that mistake, it is apology that my dear viewers are unhappy. Still then I am trying best, especially to appreciate my noble mission. You will enjoy, I will enjoy, everybody will enjoy the spoken English class, especially to translate Odia to English. So how to translate an Odia sentence into English sentence, that is the vision of the British Voice to solve this particular problem, to root out these permanent problems of the people. Those people are liking and giving importance especially to speak and write English and to pay the visit all inches of the world and to have the pleasing personality. So today just come to this point, and now let us see how to translate the present progressive from positive sentence to make it negative, positive to negative, negative to positive, and interrogative like that. Especially it is the intention of a British Voice to how to write any type of a Odia sentence in a different tenses, in a different forms, to very quickly having the formulas, having the help of the structures, and how the 9 formulas will help you permanently to abolish the great tensions that those are facing, special to want to speak and write English. So here now, formula number 2. Formula 2, tense, present, and for progressive, or a continuous or imperfect type of a sentence. Type of a sentence: declarative or assertive, and a negative statement. Negative statement. And structure: subject plus be verb plus not plus be1 plus rest word of the sentence plus full stop. In the previous class already I have told you to translate a positive statement or a positive sentence of a present progressive form into English. ମୁଁ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆଜିକାଲି ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ସାକ୍ଷାତ କରୁଅଛି. ମୁଁ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆଜିକାଲି ସାକ୍ଷାତ କରୁଅଛି. I am meeting them nowadays every day. ସେମାନେ ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ମାଗିବା ପାଇଁ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି. They are coming to me every day to ask me help. କୁକୁଡ଼ାଟି ଗୋଟିଏ ଅଣ୍ଡା ଦେଉଅଛି. A hen is laying an egg. ମା ଅତିଥିମାନଙ୍କୁ ଭୋଜନ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି, ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି. Mother is serving food to the guest. These are all the present progressive positive sentence, and I am translating them Odia to English by the help of only one structure of positive. Already it is done in the previous class in episode 7. So today just I am translating negative sentence of a present progressive form. An example, mu jau nahi. Mu jau nahi. Everybody, you, me, myself, themselves, everywhere. It means a small child, a teacher, a lecturer, a doctor, a scientist, a domestic wife, a household wife, a businessman, a rickshaw puller. Everybody is using such type of sentences every moment in their everyday life. So that mu jau nahi, the positive mu jau achi. Mu jau achi, the present positive. Progressive, the action is going on. What is the present progressive form? At the moment of speaking, if an action is going place or taking place for a short period, that is the present progressive form. Mu jau achi, I am going. Mu lekhu achi, I am writing. Mu gotiye gita lekhu achi, I am writing a poem. Mu shunu achi, mu dekhu achi, I am listening. Mu dekhu achi, I am watching. Mu bartman mo ma saହିତ दूरदर्शन देखु अछि, I am watching television with my mother. Mu खेलु अछि, I am playing. Mu bartman mo सांग मानक सहित क्रिकेट खेलु अछि, I am playing cricket with my friends at the moment or right now. आपण जाउछंती, you are going. आपण मुख्यमंत्री को साक्षात करिया पाई आज जाउछंती, you are going to meet our honorable chief minister now. Pilati kandu achi, the child is crying, or the child is weeping, or the child is mourning, or the child is bewailing. Bewailing. B-E-W-A-I-L. Bewail means kandiva. M-O-U-R, man man kandiva. Teachers संगे तो शोक प्रकाश करेगा. Like that. So negative. Mu jau nahi. To translate this Odia sentence into English, first I have to locate, or we have to locate where the action word. First we have to circulate or distribute or separate the words. We have to count how many words in this sentence. Mu jau is a very small sentence. But this is small sentence we can extend also, a big one, a long one, by adding and more and more and more words with it. You can use their noun, pronoun, preposition, verb, adverb, adjective, like that. Numbers of words will add and this sentence will be extended. An example, mu jau achi. I can extend this one. If you jau nahi is one word, it is V1, word number 2. And mu is the subject, word number 1. Only there are 2 words in this sentence. But if I shall add the more words with this sentence also, it will be extended like that. Mu jau nahi. Mu aji मोर स्वास्थ्य संपर्क करे जानिबा पाई मो बापा को सहित डाक्टर को देखा करिया पाई डाक्तरखाना जाऊ नाही. मु जाऊ नाही. माँ आजी मामुकर 50तम जन्म दिवस रे जोग देवा को बापा को सहित जाऊ नाही. My mother is not going. My mother is not going to my uncle's to enjoy the 15th birthday party of my uncle today with my father. It means the sentence might be very long, having many words, but here are only the 2 words in this sentence, mu jau nahi. So before going to translate Odia into English, first you have to locate the action word or the doing word. That is jau nahi. It is bittu. And who is the doer of the doer? We have to mark then the subject of this sentence, or the doer of this sentence, who does this action. Kiye jau nahi. Who, you will put the question who, kiye jau nahi, mu. The answer is mu, I. It is subject. So that is word number 1 and action word is word number 2. So now mu jau nahi. I have to add subject and action word. Mu jau nahi. Though this sentence is a negative sentence, so it will be the little problem for us to know it is in which sentence, which tense. If the sentence is negative, everyone must face a little problem to know that it is in which tense. So that though mu jau nahi, I cannot say easily. I cannot say easily if this sentence is in which tense. So that to know the tense of this sentence, first we have to make this or convert this negative sentence into positive. And in the positive it will be mu jauachi. Mu jau nahi negative. Mu jauachi, it is positive. When I shall make this positive, then easily I can know that it is in which tense. So mu jauachi, it is present tense jauachi, uchi. The last letters of this action word is pronouncing uchi. It means the action is going place or taking place at the moment of speaking. When I am telling that mu jauachi, the action is going on. So that it is present tense and form is progressive or imperfect or continuous and positive statements. So that I must take the structure that is for the subject mu, I. Then be verb, present be verb am is are. Am is are, the subject is I, the first person singular number. So must we select am as the helping verb or be verb. I am. Then not means nahi, no means nahi. How will you know that the sentence is negative? Now when we will see the words like no, not, never, neither, hardly, rarely, seldom, little, a little, few, we can know that the negative sentence. If you will see the words like little, few, never, no, not, hardly, rarely, seldom, neither, no, then we can know that the sentence is negative. We will find out such words in the sentence. So negative, not determiner. In grammar, not is known as the determiner. So I am not, then B1, it means down, B1 it is go. Plus ing, rest of the words, there is no rest of the words. Only two words, so that the first subject move, in English that is I. Then be verb, present be verb, am is are. Though the subject is a first person singular number, so that I must select or choose am as the be verb, that is am. Then not, then B1. The action word that is jaunai, action word B1 that is go. Plus ing. Then the rest of the sentence, though there is no more words in this sentence, not needed special right, and that is a full stop. I am going, I am not going. Mu jau nahi. Mu jau I am going, mu jau I am not going. It means when we shall convert or translate present progressive continuous positive sentence into negative, then we must add not to make the sentence. To make a positive instead of negative, we must add not. Where not? The position of the not will be after the helping verb. So the helping verb is am. So that after am, I must use that or I must use that not. So I am not going. And the short form of am not, that is like that. Am not. Short form. Am not. So mu jau nahi, it is Odia sentence, positive sentence, tense is present, form is progressive, type of sentence declarative, negative statement, and structure is subject. Mu jau achi, I am not going. Mu jau nahi. Mu padu nahi, I am not reading. Mu lekhu nahi, I am not writing. Tume apne lekhu nahanti, you are not writing. Pina mane lekhu nahanti, children are not writing. Pila mane gita lekhu nahanti, children are not writing poems. Ma rosei koru nahi, mother is not cooking. Like that. Another translate. We shall learn by this structure. ଆଜି ନୀଳ ଆକାଶରେ ଆଜି ନୀଳ ଆକାଶରେ ଆଜି ନୀଳ ଆକାଶରେ one bird that is ଚଢ଼େଇ more than one bird that is birds in Oriya ବିହଙ୍ଗ ରାଜି ଆଜି ନୀଳ ଆକାଶରେ ବିହଙ୍ଗ ରାଜି one lion सिंह more than one lions in Oriya सिंह राजी वृक्ष राजी more than one tree in Oriya. So आज नील आकाश रे बिहंग राजी ଉଡ଼ୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଉଡ଼ୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜି ନୀଳ ଆକାଶରେ ବିହଙ୍ଗରାଜି ଉଡ଼ୁନାହାନ୍ତି I shall translate this Odia sentence into English. First, I have to identify Aji, Nila Akasare, Bihangaraji, Udunanti. So, what to locate? The action word first, that is Udunanti, it is B1. B1, word number 2. Then after verb or action word, then you have to locate or mark or identify the subject. Kiye Udunanti, na Bihangaraji, is subject, word number 1. According to the arrangement of the words, just I'm marking. You see, I can also use this number subject Bihangaraji beginning of the sentence. But according to the order of the words in the sentence, we have to translate that one. Still then there is no problem to locate the subject. First you should locate the action word that is Udunanti, then Kiye Udunanti, na Bihangaraji. Chodei mane. In a general way, I say Chodei mane subject. Then the next word 3, then 4. So word number 1 plus word number 2. Bihangaraji Udunanti. Udunanti. It means the action is going on. To translate into English, first we have to know that in which tense this sentence is. Udunanti is negative. In positive it will be Uduchanti. Bihangaraji Uduchanti. It means Chodei mane Uduchanti. The action is going on. Aji Chodei mane Uduchanti. Progressive form. The action is going on continuous. So that is the tense is present, form is progressive, and the structure to positive statement. The subject is now subject. Bihangaraji birds. Word number 1. Then a structure B verb. Though bird is third person of plural number, so am is are, we must take are as the B verb or helping verb. Birds are. Then not. Then B1, what do you English of fly? What do you English of fly? It is a verb. But in a noun, fly means machi. Then I am the fly. The rest word Nila Akasare, in the blue sky. In the blue sky, Nila Akasare. Aji today. The sentence is okay. Aji Nila Akasare, Chodei mane Udunanti, Bihangaraji Udunanti. Birds are not flying in the blue sky today. Over. Another sentence. Bartaman. Shreni kachare. Bartaman shreni ke kachare. शिक्षक पिलामानंकु पाठ पढ़ाउनाहांती Now we distribute the words. Bartaman is one word, Shreni kachare another word, शिक्षक another word, पिलामान one word, unku another word, पाठ another word, Padhaunanti, another word. So to translate Odia into English, first you have to know the action word. That is B1. Padhaunanti. One number 2. Then the subject kiye Shikshaka. One number subject. One number 1. Then the left side, Patha. One number 3. Then Ko. 4. Left side Pilamana. 5. Then the subject Shikha is over. Already marked, that is 1 subject. Shreni kachare. Word number 5. Word number 6. That is 6 words in this sentence. So first you have to locate word number 1, Shikshaka. Then word number 2, B1, that is Padhaunanti. It is negative to make it. We have to try to know the tense of this sentence so that when I shall make a positive this statement, Padhaunanti, it will be Padhauchanti. शिक्षक subject, पढ़ाउछन्ति action word. शिक्षक पढ़ाउछन्ति. It means the action is going on, taking place continuous. So tense is present, form is progressive, and a negative nahanti. So negative sentence. The structure is like that. Subject, now subject is शिक्षक, the teacher. Then be verb. The teacher third person singular number. So I shall take the helping verb. Okay, be verb, that is. Then B1, Podam English teach. Teach plus ing. Teaching. The teacher is, the teacher, be verb is, then not. Then B1, teach plus ing, teaching. The teacher is not a teaching. 1 over 1 is our subject, the teacher. Then be verb is, then not. Then B1 teach, then ing. The structure is over. Then the rest word of the sentence, that is one number 3. That is a part of English lesson. LASS one lesson. One number 4, that is Unku English 2. Then word number 5, that is Pilamane, students or children, students. Then word number 6, Pilamane, word number 6, Sadikakshare, in the classroom. In the class. Then word number 7, Bartman, now. What's over? There are 7 words in this sentence, and according to the order of this structure, I am just translating. So first, I applied the structure, that is, the teacher is not teaching lesson to students in class now. In Odia, Bartman Sanike Kare Sikho Pilamanku Pato Podaunanti. So subject is Sikhako, Podaunanti, the action word B1, then the subject is word number 1, then B2 is action word is B1, word number 2, 1 subject, word number 1 subject, word number 2, that is action word or verb. Then the rest 3 word, that is left side of the action word, that is part of word number 3, left side of that word number 3, that is Unku, word number 4, then the left side of word number 4, that is Sadikaka, word number 6, then the left side of word number 6, that is Bartman 7. So there are 7 words in this sentence. So according to the order, I arranged it and I translated this. So the Odia sentence is like that. The teacher is not teaching lesson to students in a class now. Okay? Today already I translated it. Tomorrow again we shall do an assessment of such structures. So till that, now the class is over. If you like this channel, please give likes and subscribe among your friends to survive this channel to continue my classes further. Thank you. Have a nice day.